how to turn on or turn off sync stories in picture gallery to OneDrive on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, tap on the picture gallery app. Next, I'm going to tap on the back key to go back to my albums. In here, tap on the menu button. Then tap on settings. In the gallery settings, tap on sync with OneDrive. Tap on the left hand side panel. Next, we go down and tap on sync stories. In here, you can choose whether to sync stories in the picture gallery to OneDrive or not. So tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.